Hey everyone, happy 4th of July. Rain or shine, we're gonna enjoy the day. It's a little rainy today, scattered showers, a couple thunderstorms here and there, but we're still gonna grill. We got our patio tent up and everything, patio umbrella up, got the grill going. We've got some steak here, chicken tenders and bacon, some corn on the cob, and a couple of corn on the cobs with bacon wrapped in there.
And we're barbecuing and watching fireworks too. We're watching our backyard because Ethan won't cry.
Yeah, Ethan be too small for the big loud fireworks, huh?
Yeah, Ethan just like too loud like that. But we can do it in the backyard. It's gonna be quiet.
Yeah.
And he's like, "What is this? What is this?"
Hi, baby Ethan.
He just stares at me. He just like to stare at me. Just stares at me all day. He's just staring at me. He just stares at me all the time.
Oh my gosh, so cute, Ethan. You're so cute too, Brian.
He just stares at me all day. Happy July 4th!
Happy July 4th! Independence Day.
Yep.
Alright, so this idea was my idea, alright? So it's bacon wrapped over corn. I thought it would be good because, you have bacon wrapped in chicken. You would think it would be good, so I decided to do this way.
Looks like it's ready to go. Bacon's falling off. Looks like it's ready to go.
Yeah.
Not too char or anything. We don't like. We prefer no char in ours. Well, it's got some char right there, but
That's fine.
that's because it's sitting in the too long. But the top, just right.
Yep.
Here you go. Not so bad. Alright guys, so our chicken tender with bacon wrapped around and barbecue sauce on top is finally ready. We cooked it at a pretty low heat, so that way hopefully it doesn't dry out. As you can see, I'm just charring the bacon a little bit, giving it the finishing touches here, and it don't look so bad. And we'll be ready in just a few seconds here. And we'll enjoy.
Today, we're going to set fireworks in our backyard.
In the backyard for Ethan. We're not going to a park just because you know how babies will cry if it's too loud, if it's really loud.
Yeah, the baby just do this.
You gotta do it for the baby. The baby can't do it, so.
So this is going to be the backyard show. We're
Yep.
watching the backyard.
Backyard.
We're going to set all these ready tonight to watch them go bang.
And boom.
Hope Ethan doesn't cry that time.
Cry today.
And look at these pictures. What happens when you set it? It goes boom. Goes up.
Hi, Ethan. Ay, ay, ay,
We're doing the fireworks, guys. We're doing the fireworks. It was too scary to do in the backyard. Because the other ones we did when we jump at Jason, and Jason got scared of it.
Oh yeah.
He was like, whoa.
Yeah, it was like, it was spinning, and it spin in the air, and I was scared of it, jumping at me, so I like stepped back.
So we're going to the driveway, right?
Yeah.
It was like that fast. Get 4 times! 4 times!
Do that.
Okay, that's not a good fight. That was a fight. Okay, now it's a fight.
Why, right? That was weird. That's cool. We can do it again. Yeah, we can do that again.
Look at it. Look at it go. Up, I hit it.
Cool.
There's an empty box now. Next one.
Next one. Wow.
Jeez.
Look at our backyard fireworks. Our neighbors are our neighbors' backyard. Wow.
I'm scared. It's not like first flyer. Blow away. I think it's melted. It's melted. On the bottom. Faster. And do the loud thing.
Let's draw high.
Whoa, what are we gonna do now?
Neon lights, neon. It's neon lights.
Neon light. On the